When I went to sign on for my post-secondary education, I did at first go into hairdressing. I wanted to do hairdressing because that's what I thought everybody does. And I saw the description for auto tech. It says, hey, this sounds interesting. My name's Doreen Wong, and I'm an instructor at Vancouver Community College, and I teach auto body repair and refinishing prep. What sparked my interest to go into the industry was my love for cars. I love working my hands. Even when I was growing up, I like tinkering things. Didn't understand why it was different, but I just enjoy that more so than books and paper. Right after my training at VCC or VVI, I got hired right away at a shop downtown. It was at a fiberglass repair shop. I worked on boats, from helicopters to high-end cars.
I believe that Doreen was one of the first women to receive a red seal in auto collision and refinishing trade in Western Canada, if not Canada. I think with Doreen being on our staff, that she really does enhance our programs. She works hard as the only woman within basically a male-dominated trade and work environment. She's definitely a great co-worker to all of us downstairs.
What I love about teaching is what I can share and give to my students. I'm very passionate about seeing them and watching them evolve and grow and get their career. My main goal is like their success is my success. My advice for young women starting the industry is follow their heart. Just do the best. Don't try to do something to outperform themselves. Just be what they are and use the best ability. As long as they like working with their hand and they love cars like myself, they'll do well.